Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Oviedo local and long distance movers near me. Our Oviedo local TM mover is reliable and affordable. We have all it takes for a successful relocation within the city. Relocation comes with its risks, and we understand that. Hence, we have insurance policies protecting the interest of our clients from potential loss and damages. Our local movers take care of packing materials for boxing and wrapping your belongings. We provide floor and wall protection and well-maintained and trackable trucks. Our expert drivers are familiar with modern mapping technology. We clean out the debris after the moving and loading. Long-distance relocations can be challenging and time-consuming. Hence, they need proper planning and execution. 3 Movers has cautious movers and careful drivers who would get your belongings to your new home safely. We take charge of everything, allowing you to focus on other personal aspects of the relocation process. Our turnaround time is second to none, and we do not cancel our clients at the last minute. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oviedo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.